As we testing Goa. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Prime Minister Ayodele tún ti mú àwọn ìran tó lágbára wá o fún gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè àti ìlú ọba pàápàá jùlọ wọ́n fi ohùn ránṣẹ́ sí Tinubu. Wọ́n ní lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Christian genocide kó má rò pé bóyá òun ti sá pamọ́ sábẹ́ aṣọ o. Wọ́n níbi tí àwọn ìjọba ìlú òyìnbó gọ sílẹ̀ de Tinubu lélẹ́yìí o. Wọ́n ní wọ́n máa gbé ìgbésẹ̀ ńlá lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí láti fi lè kọlu ìjọba ọba Tinubu. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ́ náà fún òun ránṣẹ́ sí Oriyomi Hamzat. Wọ́n ní kó má rò pé òun fẹ́ jẹ gómìnà ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ o. Wọ́n ní pé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ gómìnà ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ wọ́n ní kó lọ mọ́kàn kúrò ńbẹ̀. Wọ́n ní kó ń ṣe pé àwọn ta sí o bọ̀ tí ohun olúwa ni eléyìí. Wọ́n ní pé kó bá ara jókòó sórí rédíò àgídìgbò tó rọra ṣe jẹ́jẹ́jẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ journalism. Wọ́n ní ọwọ́ olúwa wà níbẹ̀ bọ̀ pé ìṣèlú tó fẹ́ lọ tọwọ́ bọ̀ yìí pé wọ́n ní ó léwu gan. Wọ́n lè tún sọ̀rọ̀ pa ìjọba tí ó ń sọ́pọ́tì àwọn bandits yìí. Wọ́n ní ìjọba tó ń sọ́pọ́tì àwọn bandits wọ́n ní kẹlẹ́ jáwọ́ because ìjọba tó bá ń sọ́pọ́tì bandits wọ́n ní bandits gangan ni àwọn gangan fúnra wọn. Wọ́n lè tún sọ lórí Nàìjíríà fẹ́ change owó. Wọ́n ní kó má change owó àti àwọn EFCC tó fẹ́ máa mú àwọn vote buyers. Wọ́n ní àwọn tó fẹ́ mú àwọn vote buyers gan. Wọ́n ní àwọn tó rán yín iṣẹ́ gangan náà ní lára àwọn tẹ́fẹ́ máa mú yìí. Ẹ wo oríṣiríṣi àwọn prophecy then lórí ìlú UK àti ìlú Amẹ́ríkà àti oríṣiríṣi bomb blast oríṣiríṣi terrorism act oríṣiríṣi iná ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé nǹkan ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé prophecy yìí lẹ́nu Prime Minister Ayodele. Kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ máa fòpinion sínú comment ẹ jẹ́ àjọgbọ́.
UK, France, Germany, they must be careful of jihadist attack or terrorist attack or what they see as maybe something that is common. They can cause shooting or using knife. Likewise, New York, New Jersey, Washington, they must be careful of shooting. I see bird flu in Nigeria and outside Nigeria, even in the Western world. Bird flu. Mali, they want to attack Mali government. Niger, they still want to attack them. There are powerful forces who want to remove them from power. Nigerian government must not change currency. If they change currency, it will bring inflation. Here, this is the word of the Lord. You cannot curtail vote buying, because majority of people that you will arrest will be major people who are your principal's messengers. So if you say want to go and you want to arrest vote buying, or you put vote buying in the system, it's like you do sacrifice and you are eating the sacrifice. So all that one will not work. It's the joker of the year. In Adamawa, APC will not win. The best person I would have said it should be the best person, because a woman who have courage is I don't know the party, that woman. Adamawa, I don't know. Maybe Mama Adamawa. Benashi will have been the best candidate. But would they allow her to win? But the thing is, Ishaku Abu, Senator Ishaku Abu, if you can struggle very well, they have chances. And that Benashi or Benani or whatever they call her name, I will encourage them to move. But that Benashi, if she wins, they will turn it against her. But not APC. Not APC. Let me advise Oriyomi Hamzat. I love you so much because of your programs. I warned you the other time, say, want it ta ogogo binolare, want it gbé sínú ọjà ayé. O lè má like ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn o, ṣùgbọ́n èmi sọ fún ẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni bí ìránṣẹ́ Olúwa. O lè ṣe gómìnà Ọ̀yọ́ state. Don't go there. Just keep to that your lane, that your journalism lane. If you dare it, they will rubbish you. They will reduce you to nothing less. Nítorí pé ògo tó máa fi ṣe òṣèlú ó mọ̀ by error wọ́n ti gbé sínú ọjà ayé. Ó lè má yẹ ṣùgbọ́n jà máa wò ó di gómìnà. Ariwo orí rédíò nǹkan ló fi da gómìnà Oriyomi Hamzat. Rivers State, there will be disorderliness in Rivers State. Rivers crisis is coming gradually, and when the crisis comes, They will not be able to curtail it. Meanwhile, anybody, if it's not weakest candidate, nobody will bring any candidate out in Rivers State that will win, except they burn the whole state. APC will have a major crisis before the election and after the election. If care is not taken, APC might not come together as a united party. Tinubu should know this. This Christian genocide, they will raise a case on it. Prepare. It's going to be a serious case. They will use it to raise propaganda against his government for him to fail. Do anything you know you can do to save you from this Christian genocide. Otherwise, Christian genocide will turn your government upside down. There are people behind it too. Behind it. And these are the things they want to use against you. Let me, as the Lord directs, let me advise the gubernatorial aspirants in Osun, ADC, PPP. Don't waste your money. Keep this money so that you will not suffer. I love that man who is the ADC candidate. But they are for sale his right. They have traded your right. You cannot be governor. However, if they can go ahead, they have enough money to waste. The only way is Adeleke. INEC will be your problem. You will win. But they want to use INEC to turn the clock. They want to turn the clock. Oh. INEC, don't cause wahala in Osun. Oh. APC will not win Osun State. Oh. That ampoye kò lè bọ̀ láíláí. Kò lè bọ̀, ó kàn ń bọ̀ ni, kò lè débẹ̀. Except the rig. That rigging is what they stand for. Osun doesn't want APC. That is the right message. They want to set INEC office. They want to set it ablaze. Niger, Katsina, Adamawa, Kogi, Kwara, Ondo, Ogun, Oyo. Let them be careful of those places against serious kidnapping, shooting, and attack. If government could allow Nigerians themselves to stand against bandits, bandits will fizzle out too. But government is playing with bandits. They see them as Alpha and Omega. They release those bandits. They release one bandit. The bandit go back to the society and kidnap 5 people. So any governor that is releasing bandits is also a bandit director. That governor, that state must be declared state of emergency. But what I see is that I think Tinubu believe in bandit, that they are the one who will give him second term. Either bandit or not bandit, if care is not taken, this is going to frustrate your second term. Act on bandits, act on insecurity. It will cost you what you don't expect. And it will really bring hardship to the economy. It's happening now. Economic hardship is coming. Namibia president, they want to gang up against you. They want to cause destruction for you. They want to bring you. They want to mess up your government. On Friday, I told you, I said the next prime minister in UK is Andy. I still maintain the fact that Andy will be the next UK prime minister. I told you. It's going to happen. So whatever this man, Stammer, is saying, the name of Nigerian Civil Defense, they want to change that name. Nigerian Civil Defense. They are planning to change the name.